In this video, I will show you how to highlight the bottom values in a cell range in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the marks scored by the students in these columns. Now I want to highlight the bottom 3 mark values with the red color. To do that, I will use the Excel small function. The small function returns the nth smallest number from the specified cell range or an array. This function accepts two arguments, a cell range or an array, and the position in the array or cell range to return. For example, this small formula returns the smallest number of the cell range, while this small formula returns the second smallest number. To highlight the bottom 3 values, I will first get the third smallest number from the marks range and then highlight all the cells that are less than or equal to the third smallest number. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing marks. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula to get the third smallest number and then compare it with the first cell in the range, cell C3. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. I will also make the cell range reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the bottom value cells. I am going to choose the light red color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is in the bottom 3 values. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, the bottom 3 values are now highlighted with the light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we change any mark value to make it greater than the third smallest value, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any mark value and make it less than the third bottom value, it will be highlighted in the light red color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the marked cells again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the marked cells range, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the marked cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.